Good morning. Good morning, everyone. If you can see me and if you can hear me, type in C, type in C. If you can see me and if you can hear me, type in C.
We can hear you and we can see you.
Okay, great. Good morning on Saturday morning. You could be doing something, right? You could be relaxing on a weekend, but you decided to come here and spend your time with us. Thank you so much. And I'm going to assure you that next 60 to 90 minutes, whatever time you'll be spending with us, it's going to be an amazing things to get started. Okay, it's going to be amazing thing to get started. How many of you heard about vision board? Can you type in vision board if you have heard about it? Or VB, type in VB. Type in VB if you have heard about it. Amazing. Okay, Urvashi, Handaji, yes. Yeah, Anju, yeah. Rasmita, super. VB, you have heard about VB. Those who have not heard about VB, type in no VB, no VB. Not heard about no VB. Okay, VB, vision board, amazing. Okay, so many of the time, right? Many of the time we'll be wondering, how can we actually take the entire thing to the next level? So whenever you want to move your life to the next level, there is an important thing that is required. This is a secret sauce that every successful person who has achieved in his life has done this. Okay. So for those of you who have not heard about vision board, I'm going to be actually playing a small video. I want everybody to observe this. Okay? I'm going to mute all of you for that. Thank you so much. And here we go. Sound is not good. Are you not able to hear me? Is my audio video clear? Type in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Clear, loud and clear.
Okay, great. And let's go here. Let's go here and go for it. And here we go. Do you want me to increase? I'm at the maximum volume actually, Sam. So maybe you need to increase, look at from your side if this is, the issue. Okay. And here we go.
I'm here to talk about success.
I have a question for all of you. Once you complete this, you're going to have a question on this, and I would request all of you to answer who is the actor at the end of this video. And here we go.
The first rule of success is to have a vision. You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go, and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. I mean, as you know, I was born in 1947 in Austria after the Second World War. So I was very fortunate that I stumbled on my vision. And I didn't really like Austria when I grew up. I couldn't wait to get out of there. I couldn't see myself becoming a farmer or a worker in a factory or anything like that. Even though my parents wanted me to stay there and have a normal life. But that was their vision, not mine. My vision was totally different. I felt that I was born for something special, for something unique, for something big. Then one day I went to school. I remember I was 11 years old. And they showed a documentary about America. And there they showed in this documentary the huge skyscrapers, the high-rises, the huge bridges, the 6-lane freeways, and all of this stuff. And I said to myself, that's where I want to be. I don't want to be around here with these little farmhouses and these little buildings. I want to be in America. One day after school, I walked by a store in Graz. So I went inside and I looked around, and then I saw a magazine. I saw a bodybuilding magazine that had Reg Park on the cover. Reg Park was then a 3-time Mr. Universe. And I saw him on the big screen as Hercules. I read that and I said to myself, wow, this is the blueprint for my life. This is exactly what I want to do. I want to become a bodybuilding champion just like Reg Park. I want to get into movies just like Reg Park. And I want to make millions of dollars and be rich and famous just like Reg Park. Do you know how great it felt that I knew where I was going? Imagine the majority of people don't know where they're going. I knew where I was going, that I'm going to become this bodybuilding champion just like him. So it was just a question of how do you do it? I was so relieved because when you have a goal, when you have a vision, everything becomes easy. So people always ask me, when they saw me in the gym in the pumping iron days, they say, why is it that you're working out so hard? 5 hours a day, 6 hours a day, and you have always a smile on your face. And I told people all the time, I said, because to me, I'm shooting for a goal. In front of me is the Mr. Universe title. So every rep that I do gets me closer to accomplishing that goal, to make this goal, this vision turn into reality. Every single set that I do, every repetition, every weight that I lift will get me a step closer to turn this goal into reality. So I couldn't wait to do another 500-pound squat. I couldn't wait to do another 500-pound bench press. I couldn't wait to do another 2,000 reps of sit-ups. I couldn't wait for the next exercise. At the age of 20, I went to London and I won the Mr. Universe contest as the youngest Mr. Universe ever. And it was because I had a goal. So let me tell you something, visualizing your goal and going after it makes it fun. You got to have a purpose no matter what you do in life. You got to have a purpose.
Okay. What did you listen? What did you listen here? What did you listen here? What did you listen? Who was the hero? Who was the hero or the person who was actually talking about?
Arnold.
Arnold. Okay. Amazing. Can you type in? Can you type in who was the hero who was there? Actually, who was there? Amazing.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Wow. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. Amazing. So now you know that as person like Arnold, who became so much successful in Hollywood, he was able to do that only because of this. He has a very clear vision. So with that context, we're going to get started. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give a brief overview of what exactly you're going to be seeing now, because many of you do not have the context of this. We have something called the Rewire Your Brain program. As part of this, we conduct a vision board preparation exercise. After the vision board exercise is done, the participants get a chance to go and present it in front of everybody. And today is a day where you will be able to see that presentation. Okay. So here, this is a real people, real story. It is the story of common man like you and me. And if you can see my video, right? This is the Rewire Your Brain board vision board presentation today. That happens on the Saturday. And here we go. The entry is only through the invitation. So Mindrose International is a company where we have a signature Rewire Your Brain program that we are doing. And not only that, we also do conduct other programs like Passive Income and Procrastination Killer. Main coaches or founders here are Infinity Karthik, me, and HK Chauhanji. And I request all of you to do this because we have a mix of people who are coming, who are new, who are actually already a part of RYB, some of them are RYB Advanced. I request all of you to rename yourself, your new followed by your name, new followed by your name, so that we know that you are a new person. And when after the vision board presentation is done, you get a chance to interact with our participants. So in that, when you do that, it will be easy for you to catch up with this. I request RYB and RYB Advanced main coordinators and all our volunteers to actually name yourself and help the others to do it. How many of you agree that success of the coaches depends on the success of the student? How many of you agree with this? Type in agree, type in agree, type in agree if you agree with this. Type in agree if you're going to be agree with this. Amazing, amazing. So that is why what we are going to do is in this particular session, I'll be only doing the anchoring and all the live things will be done by our students who have gone through this particular program. So that is going to be amazing thing to see. And here we go. I'm going to be talking about the agenda here. We'll have 2 vision board presentations that is going to happen approximately maximum time of 15 minutes. You will have 2 people who will be coming and talking. Today you've got Lalita ji and also Rahul will be coming and talking about this particular thing. And after that, they have an option to appeal to all of you with their social vision, where if any of you wants to join their mission and work for the betterment of the society and the nation, then you will be actually welcome to do that. And after that, I'm going to be showing you a powerful seed ball video, how by actually writing the vision, my entire life changed. So that is going to be the next one I'll be doing. And then you have an interaction with all the participants that will be available, and then we'll be given a chance to feedback. And also tomorrow we are conducting a Rewire Your Brain program preview session. You'll be able to join that as well. So with this, okay, with this particular thing, I'm going to be handing over the stage. Okay, I'll be handing over to the stage to the youngest member of this community, who is still an engineering student, to drive the entire process, Srivatsa, ready?
Yes, ready, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Srivatsa, and over to you. Go with your little introduction and get started. Before I do that, guys, these are all ordinary people like you and me. They're not professional speakers. If something goes wrong, okay, please encourage them, because we do not want anybody to get discouraged in this, because these are real people and real stories you're going to be hearing. Yeah, Srivatsa, over to you. How many of you agree with this? How many of you will actually give the enthusiasm if they go wrong? Okay, okay, you need to encourage them. Okay, do you agree with this? Great, thank you so much, Srivatsa, and over to you.
Yes, namaste everyone. Good morning. So yes, my name is Srivatsa. I'm from Chikmagalur, Karnataka. I'm 22 years old, probably the youngest over here. And I'm doing mechanical engineering here in Chikmagalur. I'm pursuing my final semester, 8th semester, and within no time I'm gonna be a proud mechanical engineer. Yes. So this is a small introduction about me, and thank you so much, Karthik sir and Chauhan sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to carry on with this program. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. So before I call upon the presenters, I would like to tell you a fact. This fact is going to blow your mind, and this fact, my friends, is going to make you feel proud that you are an Indian. Okay, so last night I was just browsing through the internet, and I was very curious to know the total donations the billionaires have made. Jeff Bezos, who is the richest person on this planet, has made around $10 billion of donation. $10 billion of donation. Warren Buffett has made $34 billion, and Bill Gates have made $40 billion approximately. Okay, now if that is about them, have you heard about Jamshedji Tata, a true Indian, a Jamshedji Tata? So he's the founder of Tata Groups. So his total donations, there was a study that says his total donations, if you evaluate it for today's valuation, it sums up to $102 billion. Can you believe it? $102 billion, and that's why we should be proud of such people. We should be proud that we are Indians, and which is why I want each one of you to type in proud in the chat box, to type in proud, show your active participation, type in proud. And while typing proud, make sure that you feel the patriotism inside you. Yes, thank you so much. That's amazing. So now it's time to call upon the presenters. So here we have our first presenter. She retired from she retired from Syndicate Bank as a manager in the year 2020. She served the bank for over 39 years. She became a Reiki master in 2001, and she has been practicing it professionally from past 2 years. She is a pranic healer and has an international certification. She is a soul healer and has an international certificate from Canada. She has a diploma in naturopathy and yoga. She is a member of INO, and she has done her NLP from Success Legacy. She holds a certificate for yoga practice. She is a great mother, and she has sacrificed and dedicated her entire life to their children and the people she is serving. So here we have a legendary person. Here we have Miss Lalita Bandula. Over to you, ma'am. Over to you, Miss Lalita Bandula. Over to you.
Thank you, Srivatsa. Thank you so much. And good morning to everybody, all the participants and RYB members, and especially good morning to Chauhan sir and Mr. Karthik. Today, I would like to ask one question before starting my presentation of vision board. क्या आपने कभी बचपन में सपने देखे हैं? आप सब लोग ही देखते हैं वैसे तो। क्या आपने कभी उन सपनों को पूरा होते भी देखा है? कभी आपने सोचा कि हमारे सपने भी पूरे होंगे? क्या कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि ये तो बहुत ही आसान काम था, ऐसा वाला आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में क्यों नहीं आया? Why I am not able to do it and why this idea has not come in my mind? कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि दूसरे लोग तो थोड़ा सा ही काम करते हैं और उनको सक्सेस मिल जाती है, और मैं तो इतना काम करता हूँ, इतना हार्ड वर्क करती हूँ, फिर भी मुझे सक्सेस नहीं मिलती है? ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमारे जहन में होते हैं, हमारे माइंड में होते हैं। बचपन से लेके आज तक जितनी भी हमारी एज हो जाती है, हमेशा हमारे दिमाग में चहल पहल, उथल पुथल मची ही रहती है। ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे जिनका कि जवाब आपको आज यहाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेगा, और बाकी क्वेश्चंस का जवाब आपको जब आप RYV 21 डेज का सेशन ज्वाइन करेंगे उसमें आपको मिलेगा, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी 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 पावरफुल सेशन फॉर 21 डेज। एज यू नो कि हमारे जो माइंड में 60-70 बिलियन न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं, अगर हम उनको अपने हिसाब से ट्रेन करते हैं जैसा हम चाहते हैं, तो हम उनसे वैसा काम करवा सकते हैं। और यहाँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, RYV के प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो हमारे न्यूरॉन्स हैं वो साइंटिफिकली ट्रेन किए गए हैं। मुझे तो बहुत फायदा हुआ है, और आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल एंड आई हैव टू मच रिगार्ड एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड टू मिस्टर चौहान एंड मिस्टर कार्तिक। मुझे बहुत ज्यादा यहाँ आने के बाद अपना जिंदगी का रास्ता मिला। जो मेरे सपने बचपन में मैं कई चीजें देखा करती थी, सोचा करती थी, स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज गए, कॉलेज के बाद शादी हो गई, फिर बच्चे हुए, उनकी लाइफ देखी। और मेरी डॉटर जो है वो शी इज MD डॉक्टर है, वो दुबई में सेटल है, और माय सन इज नॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग, वो भी HCL में जॉब कर रहा था। अभी वो कुछ और कोर्स करके ही इज ट्राइंग टू चेंज। उसका गोल है कि मुझे गूगल में जाके जॉब करनी है, कनाडा ही वांट्स टू गो। सो बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें हैं विच आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। वैसे तो श्रीवत्सा ने बहुत कुछ बता ही दिया है। माई सेल्फ ललिता। मैंने 40 साल बैंक में, सिंडिकेट बैंक में जॉब किया, एंड लास्ट ईयर इन सितंबर 2020 आई गॉट रिटायर्ड। बहुत अच्छे से मैं रिटायर हुई वहां से, बहुत खुशी से रिटायर हुई, और बहुत मुझे ग्रेटफुल हूँ मैं अपने बैंक के लिए। मुझे बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड है कि इन 40 सालों में मैंने बैंक में काम किया और मुझे मतलब सैलरी मिली, सब कुछ मिला, तो मैंने अपने बच्चों को आगे से अच्छे से पढ़ाया, उनकी जॉब वगैरह के लिए सब कुछ किया। सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू माय बैंक ऑल्सो। मैंने 20 साल हो गए हैं, मैंने NL का रेकी मास्टरशिप भी मैंने कोर्स भी किया था, क्योंकि मुझे शुरू से शौक था। जब मैं बचपन में होती थी तो मुझे एक अच्छा लगता था कि सोच के कि अच्छा ऐसे हम किसी को टच करें तो वो ठीक हो जाएगा। ऐसा मैं मदर टेरेसा को सुना करती थी, देखा करती थी उनको, कि उन्होंने वो इतने प्यार से हाथ रखती हैं और इतने प्यार से टच करती हैं। सो वो मेरी रोल मॉडल रही। उसकी वजह से मैंने जो है रेकी सीखी करीबन 20 साल पहले। लेकिन प्रोफेशनली मैं अभी 3-4 साल से इसमें आ गई हूँ रेकी में। तो हम लोग हीलिंग भी करते हैं, और संडे संडे हम लोग फ्री सेशंस भी देते हैं। इफ एनीबॉडी वांट्स टू ज्वाइन, ही और शी कैन ज्वाइन। और उसके बाद मैंने सोल हीलिंग सीखी, कनाडा से सर्टिफिकेशन लिया, प्राणिक हीलिंग सीखी। इस लाइन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए धीरे धीरे मैंने सीखा। जब मैं लास्ट ईयर रिटायर होने वाली थी, उससे 1 साल पहले ही मेरे दिमाग में बहुत उथल पुथल मचने लगी कि मैं क्या करूंगी रिटायरमेंट के बाद, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू सिट एट होम। तो धीरे धीरे मुझे लगने लगा कि कुछ तो मुझे करना है, कि ताकि मैं रिटायरमेंट के बाद अपना टाइम जो है लोगों के लिए डिवोट कर पाऊं, अपने इस कंट्री के लिए डिवोट कर पाऊं, क्योंकि हमने बहुत कुछ हमें कंट्री से मिलता है, मदर अर्थ से मिलता है। तो ये सब सोचते सोचते मेरी रिटायरमेंट हो गई। तब तक मुझे कुछ भी नहीं लगा। सडनली वन फाइन डे वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स टोल्ड मी अबाउट RYV। बोले कि तुम्हें ललिता बहुत शौक है इस तरह का, तो ये ग्रुप तुम ज्वाइन करो, एंड आई एम वेरी मच श्योर कि तुम्हें बेनिफिट होगा और तुम बहुत अच्छा महसूस करोगे। आई सेड ओके। सो मैंने जब RYV ज्वाइन किया, मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही नॉमिनल एनर्जी एक्सचेंज था, एंड आई वाज सुपर हैप्पी कि मैं 21 दिन के लिए ये कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ। क्योंकि मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि जो हमारे माइंड के न्यूरॉन्स हैं, अगर हम उनको 21 दिन तक ट्रेन करते हैं, या हम कोई भी हैबिट अपने 21 दिन तक चलाते हैं, एडॉप्ट करते हैं, तो वो हमारी लाइफ का एक पार्ट बन जाता है, अगर हम थोड़ी सी और कोशिश करके उसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सो मैंने ऐसा सोच के ये वाला ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया RYV। बट ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने के बाद आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू चौहान सर एंड मिस्टर कार्तिक कि यहाँ आने के बाद मेरे सपनों को पंख लगने शुरू हो गए। जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना कि घोड़े को दौड़ने के लिए उसके पैरों में नाल लगाई जाती है, यहाँ आने के बाद पैरों में नाल ही नहीं लगी, मेरे पंख भी लगा दिए गए कि अब तुम ऐसे सोचो और ऐसे उड़ो। सो आई वाज सुपर हैप्पी। 20 दिन हमें ट्रेनिंग दी गई, चौहान सर ने हमें बहुत ट्रेन किया, बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स बताई कैसे हमें आगे रिच मतलब ग्रो करना है, रिच होने के लिए, पैसिव इनकम के लिए। और स्पेशली मिस्टर कार्तिक का जो ये प्रोग्राम था, सुबह हम 7 बजे की बहुत उत्सुकता से मतलब वो होते थे कि जल्दी से 7 बजे और जल्दी से हम ये वाला प्रोग्राम अटेंड करें, क्योंकि इस प्रोग्राम में हमें फॉरगिवनेस सिखाई जाती थी, कैसे हमने थैंकफुल होना है वो सब हमें सिखाया जाता था। ये सारा कुछ हम करते थे, तो बहुत कुछ हमारे को सुबह जो है सीखने को मिलता था। सो लास्ट में हम लोगों ने जो है विजन बोर्ड बनाया। 21 दिन के बाद हम लोगों ने हमारी विजन बोर्ड की प्रेजेंटेशन भी हुई। सो आई वुड लाइक टू प्रेजेंट माय विजन बोर्ड। मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी कि मेरा विजन बोर्ड बहुत सिंपल सा ही है, क्योंकि मैं रिटायर्ड हूँ। सो मेरा ऐसे शेयर मार्केट और ये सब चीजों का नहीं था। मेरे विजन में सर, इज इट ऑडिबल? दिख रहा है सर, ये विजन है?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Because-
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. We are able to. Go ahead.
Yes.
दिस इज माय विजन बोर्ड। इसमें मैंने सबसे पहले ये ऊपर लिखा था, सपने वो नहीं होते जो आप सोने के बाद देखते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने ही नहीं देते। सो इतने साल तक जो है, नाउ इज इट ओके सर?
Yes, it's little bit okay.
इतने साल जो है मैंने जो सपने देखे थे वो यहाँ आके मुझे लगा कि अब पूरे होने वाले हैं। और रिटायरमेंट के बाद जो है सबसे पहले मेरा विजन सपना ये था कि मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ एक हैप्पी मैरिड लाइफ बिताऊं, जिससे कि क्योंकि इतने साल तक हमें मौका नहीं मिला साथ में रहने का, क्योंकि हस्बैंड भी हाई पोस्ट पे थे, वो बाहर चले जाते थे, मैं भी बैंक में थी, बच्चों के साथ बिजी रही। सो नाउ हम अपना सुबह आराम से अच्छे से खाना वाना बनाते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं। सो आई एम एंजॉइंग दैट लाइफ। और रिटायरमेंट के बाद सबसे पहले मेरा विजन था फॉर हेल्दी, अपनी हेल्थ के लिए। सो मैंने अच्छा खाना खाना, अच्छा खाना बनाना, वेजिटेबल्स, सूप्स, आलमंड्स, ये सब मैंने अपनी डाइट में सुबह शामिल किए ताकि मैं हेल्दी से रहूं। मुझे मैराथन में भी मैंने पार्टिसिपेट करती थी। मैं रिटायरमेंट से पहले मैंने 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया था। आप देख सकते हैं, ये मैंने मेडल मुझे मिला हुआ है। मुझे कई मेडल्स मिले। मैंने वॉकेथॉन, मैराथन में 5 किलोमीटर की रेस में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया। मुझे ऐसे कार ड्राइविंग का भी बहुत शौक है। सो आई वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन कार रेसिंग ऑल्सो, मुझे दिल है। और मैं ऐसे वर्ल्ड टूर के लिए भी जाना चाहती हूँ। बाई चांस अभी पेंडेमिक हो गया है, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो फॉर वर्ल्ड टूर, लेकिन हाँ, मैं दुबई, श्रीलंका और नेपाल होके आई हूँ। मैं इस दौरान भी मैं होके आई हूँ। वैसे भी घूमने के लिए दिल है तो घूमते ही रहते हैं। और ये मेरे रोल मॉडल्स हैं। मिसाइल मैन आप सब लोग जानते ही हैं, मिस्टर कलाम, डॉक्टर कलाम, एंड शी इज द आयरन लेडी। एवरीबडी नोज इनको, मार्गरेट थैचर को। ये मेरी बहुत रोल मॉडल रहती थी, क्योंकि ये इतनी सुंदर है। मैं जब से इनको बचपन से देखती थी तो मुझे रहता था कि ऐसे ही अपने आप को मेंटेन करके और सुंदर बन के रहना है। तो मैंने कई अपने 15 अगस्त को उसमें पार्टिसिपेट भी मैं करती थी। सो आप ये देख सकते हैं, आई लव माई कंट्री टू मच, आई कैन डू एनीथिंग फॉर माई कंट्री। और ये मेरा मेन मिशन था, मेरा विजन बोर्ड का, कि लोगों को हेल्प करनी है। और मुझे एक मॉडर्नाइज्ड ओल्ड एज होम बनाना है 2025 तक। उस दौरान मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ। ओल्ड एज होम में मैं जाती हूँ, वहां मैं देखती हूँ, उन लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स को समझने की कोशिश करती हूँ। गर्ल एजुकेशन के लिए 2020 का मेरा टारगेट था। सितंबर में मैंने ये लिखा था, लेकिन दिसंबर से ही मैंने लड़कियों को पढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया। अंडर प्रिविलेज चिल्ड्रन मेरे घर में आते हैं बच्चे पढ़ने के लिए। अब धीरे धीरे होते होते 8 बच्चे मेरे पास हो गए हैं, जिनको कि मैं घर में पढ़ाती हूँ। और एनजीओ जो है, मेरे को एक दिल है कि मैं एनजीओ में गुप्त दान दूं। गुप्त दान जो है, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि देना चाहिए एक हाथ से तो दूसरे हाथ को मालूम नहीं पड़े। तो मैं एनजीओ में भी जितना मुझसे हो पाता है मैं करती हूँ। लेकिन अभी इतना अच्छा हो गया विजन बोर्ड बनाने के बाद कि मैंने एक ग्रुप में, मेरे धीरे धीरे बढ़ते बढ़ते मुझे लोगों से डोनेशंस भी बहुत आने लग गई हैं। सो मैं आराम से इस एनजीओ में जाकर के उनको खाना, कपड़े और सब्जी, फ्रूट्स वगैरह ये सब मैं दे पाती हूँ। फ्री हीलिंग जो है मैंने शुरू कर दी है। क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल्स में मुझे दिल था कि मैं दिसंबर 2021 से करूंगी, लेकिन मेरी मार्च 20 से ही शुरू हो गई है। सी द पावर ऑफ द विजन बोर्ड। जो मैं सोच रही थी 21 दिसंबर में करने का, वो मेरा 21 मार्च से ही शुरू हो गया। अभी फ्री हीलिंग्स भी शुरू हो गई है, कई लोगों को हम कर चुके हैं, और पेड हीलिंग भी होती है हमारी, जो वो भी मैं करती हूँ। वैसे मेरा एक विजन है कि 1 लाख ट्री प्लांटेशन करने का 2030 तक। सो उस दिशा में भी आई एम टॉकिंग टू वन फेलो इन मिलिंद जी इन दिस ग्रुप ओनली। उनसे भी मैं बात करके, और मैंने वैसे भी शुरू कर दिया है करने के लिए। और मेरे बेटे के लिए मेरा विजन है, बिकॉज ही इज इंटरेस्टेड टू गो टू गूगल, ही वांट्स टू ज्वाइन गूगल। उसने इसीलिए HCL से जॉब छोड़ के नाउ ही इज डूइंग सम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कोर्स वगैरह करके वो उधर के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है। सो दिस इज माई विजन। आई एम प्रेइंग एंड आई एम ऑलवेज विजुअलाइजिंग माई चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो कि वो अच्छे से ग्रो कर रहे हैं। और मेरी डॉटर के लिए मेरा विजन था कि दुबई में उसका एक अपना मकान हो, इतना बड़ा एक अच्छा सी शोर के पास मकान हो। एंड टू माय सरप्राइज, एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर कार्तिक आपके लिए, कि 3 दिन पहले ही मुझे मालूम पड़ा है, माय सन इन लॉ वो बोल रहा है कि मैंने अब इतने पैसे मेरे पास इकट्ठे हो गए हैं कि आई एम थिंकिंग टू बाई वन हाउस इन दुबई। सो वो भी इस चीज की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं। सो सी द मिरेकल ऑफ माय विजन बोर्ड कि मैंने ऐसा विजन लिया एंड इट इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट। सो ये सब है। मुझे दिल है कि एक BMW में घूमने का, और मेरे बेटे के पास एक हेलीकॉप्टर हो। इस तरीके से बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो हमारे दिलों में होती हैं, हमारी इच्छाएं होती हैं कि हम पूरी करें। सो लेकिन विजन बोर्ड बनाने के बाद जो है मुझे बहुत अच्छे से मेरी विजुअलाइजेशन जो है क्लियर हो गई है। और इसी दौरान जो है हमने अभी जो ये पेंडेमिक चल रहा था, इस दौरान जो है करीबन 200-300 लोगों को जो है हम लोगों ने खाने के लिए भी फूड स्टफ बनाकर दिया। दाल चावल होता था और फ्रूट्स होते थे, बिस्किट्स होते थे, पानी होते थे। इस तरीके से हेल्प की, किसी को पैसे की हेल्प की हमने। इस तरीके से मतलब मैं धीरे धीरे आई विल से कि ये सिर्फ विजन मेरा जो है सितंबर के बाद से ही शुरू हुआ कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसे करना है। और यहाँ आने के बाद, RYB आने के बाद ज्वाइन हुआ। और सबसे बड़ी बात मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि यहाँ पर जो लोग हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं, जो हैंड होल्डिंग है यहाँ की, एक तो सारे लोग ऐसे हैं कि कोई किसी से कंपैरिजन नहीं करता, क्योंकि सबके विजन अपने अपने हैं, सबके गोल्स अपने अपने हैं। लेकिन चौहान सर को मैंने कल रात को 10:30 बजे फोन करके कोई बात की, उन्होंने मुझसे बात की। मिस्टर कार्तिक से कभी भी बात करते हैं वो हमेशा बात करते हैं। सो ये कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं, दोनों लोग हमारे RYB के ग्रुप में, जो हमेशा हेल्प के लिए तैयार हैं। सो मेरे तो पंखों को, मतलब मुझे तो पंख लग भी गए हैं और मेरे घोड़े की नाल लग के, और मैं आगे करके बढ़ के काम कर रही हूँ। सो मैं सिर्फ यही एक चीज मैं और कहना चाहूंगी कि अगर हम अपना जो हमारा प्लान है, जो हम कोई भी प्लान हम एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहते हैं, अगर हम 10% उस पर अच्छे से टाइम डिवोट करते हैं, तो जब वो प्लान का हम एग्जीक्यूशन कर रहे होते हैं, 90% हमारा टाइम जो है सेव हो जाता है। क्योंकि अगर हम रात को कुछ भी प्लानिंग करके सोते हैं कि हमें कल क्या क्या काम करना है, अगले दिन हमारे को उस काम को करने के लिए बहुत कम टाइम लगता है। और भी ऐसी बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स हैं जो कि हमें RYB में मिस्टर कार्तिक ने सिखाई हैं, उसको हम फॉलो करके काफी कुछ जो है मुझे अच्छे से मिला है। इसी दौरान मैंने अपने आप को एनहांस करने के लिए, मेरा नेचुरोपैथी का डिप्लोमा भी है, मैंने और भी कोर्सेज किए, योगा मैंने कोर्स भी ज्वाइन किया है, सिर्फ इसलिए कि अपनी हेल्थ अच्छी रहे और मैं अपने आप को अपग्रेड करती रहूं। यहाँ पर आने के बाद एक चीज मैं और बोलना चाहूंगी कि लास्टली मैं आपसे यही कहना चाहूंगी कि एक शार्क है, वो फिश होती है। अगर उस शार्क को हम एक पॉन्ड में रखते हैं तो वो सिर्फ 8 इंच तक उसकी लेंथ बढ़ती है। लेकिन अगर वो फिश जो है समुद्र में चली जाती है, शार्क, वो 8 फीट तक बढ़ जाती है। सो मैंने तो अपने लिए समुद्र चुना है आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग दिस RYB। और आइए ज्वाइन करके मैंने यहाँ का प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन का भी सेशन लिया इनका, और लीडर्स ग्रुप में भी ज्वाइन किया, और अब मैंने इनकी एनुअल मेंबरशिप भी ले ली है। क्योंकि यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा है कि एक तो यंग पीपल है यहाँ पर सारे, और इतनी अच्छी गाइडेंस मिलती है। सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर कार्तिक कि आपने इतने अच्छे से हमारे न्यूरॉन्स को, एटलीस्ट मेरे न्यूरॉन्स को ट्रेन कर दिया है कि मैं बहुत अच्छे से आगे ग्रोथ कर पा रही हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच once again. I feel gratitude to this RYB, Mr. Chauhan and Mr. Karthik and the RYB team, and I thank all the participants जिन्होंने मुझे इतना मौका दिया। और मुझे थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू ऑल।
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much for a beautiful presentation. Thank you so much, Lalita ma'am. Thank you for not just sharing your vision board, thank you for sharing your insights as well. Now, my dear friends, I want everyone to rate this presentation out of 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the best. I want you all to rate this presentation. Yes, go on. Yes, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. So,
Thank you all.
yes. So, now, friends, as you have seen in the presentation, so her vision boards are filled with lots and lots of social visions. She wants to help the society in one or the other way. So she has come up with a few social visions. So she wants to feed hungry people with plenty of food and water. So she is already doing it. She's trying to raise funds and help people, and she wants to educate the underprivileged children as well. Yes, so she is into that social goal. So now, if any one of you is interested to collaborate with her or work together, you just received a Google form in your chat box right now. So I want you all to fill up this Google form so that we'll help you collaborate with her, so you can work together and come up with a wonder. So anyone who is interested to help her or collaborate with her, now is the chance. Go to your chat box, hit the link and fill up the Google form. So yes, I hope you have filled the Google form. If not, please go ahead and fill the Google form. So now let me call upon my second presenter. So he is an engineer by profession, a trainer by heart. He has worked in several top companies and esteemed organizations. He always wants to help young people to get bigger perspective about life and think big. He is already working on it by sharing his knowledge to students in Kashmir. Okay, he is an aspiring grow rich coach, and he's working hard on that path where he shall enlighten many to grow rich in their lives. So more than all, my friends, he is the one with wonderful social visions and is always eager to help people. He is none other than Mr. Rahul Patki. Mr. Rahul Patki, welcome, sir. Over to you. Hello.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, team ROIB, ROIB aspirants, everyone. Thank you for joining so early morning of especially Saturday morning. So thank you. And I will start with basically when I joined ROIB 08, just the previous one, and it was really helpful for me. Means I'm into these things like self-help, self-development since maybe 10 plus years. I'm reading books and all those things, attending few webinars since 2014. I remember attending one webinar in 2014. So yes, since then, I'm attending few program of definitely. 2020 is like a year of webinars for me. So I attended maybe 1,000 plus hours webinars. So yes, and finally I got into ROIB, and yes, there is a difference for sure, no doubt about that, because this is more about practical approach. Before ROIB, I was struggling with finding my niche, or many people struggle with that thing, where to exactly start and where, where should I talk? There are a lot of things for many people. They can guide in many ways. And I was a bit as I mentioned about even Srivastava also mentioned, but again, I will tell about myself. I'm engineer by profession and trainer by heart. And why I'm saying, because I spent 15 plus years in automotive industry, basically. And that was playing with tools, means designing engineers, designing a few things, designing tools and all those things, and working with robots and all those things. But somewhere I found this is enough of playing with robots. I want to connect with the real people. And that was my since 2 years I'm into the kind of educating students, new students who are newly joining the companies or yet to join. They are into final stages of their technical education, especially because I'm always in technical. I'm production engineer by degree. So yes, since then I came into this education industry since 2 years, and I found it very interesting. I found that connect and especially with the young people. So yeah, I took this as a opportunity to grow in this field. And after RYB, yeah, I've decided now I need to take action. That is the biggest outcome from RYB. Recently, there was a lot of stuff in my mind, but now I named it and I'm packaging everything. Right now I'm in the process, and now I'm working on my platform Grow Reach, where I will work on the people to help them finding or working on their purpose, around their purpose. Not just finding is, yes, obviously the first step, and other thing is, yes, Grow Reach is about richness and about money. So I will guide people about about their personal finance. So yes, there are few people already in the RYB who are working regarding finances. But yes, my goal is about personal finance and very basic things and mindset, money mindset, basically. So now I'm working on it. My even website, I'm working on website. So thanks to RYB for that. So coming back to my vision board, let me share. Just a minute. I will share my screen. Okay. Before starting, I will tell you about my how I created vision board. That itself is a big good process to go through, and I really enjoyed the process. So going to this, I will first talk about the structure, because I spent a lot of time, and I think you have heard from Chauhan sir and Karthik sir, planning is very important. And planning, you should spend enough time, and I believe in that since my engineering days. So planning is important. So I spent a lot of time on this a soft version of my vision board. It is like a structure. I changed it a lot of time, and this was the final version before I'm taking pen in hand. So yes, this was it is divided into 9 sections. Important is basically family, so I was keeping it into the into the middle or something like that, but then I came out of that blockages, mental blockages. So it's not important to keep family into the a middle, and then only it will show that I'm very much into the family matters. But why I kept the money matters into the middle, because I found that it is connecting to all the other factors. You can see it is related to health, it is related to social causes, learning, and traveling. Obviously traveling is impossible without proper financial support. Only spiritual thing is we can keep aside. There is not much finances are there. So I thought in that way, how these goals are interlinked. So then I placed everything around that, and around 4 goals or the things which are coming to my mind, I just placed on the a soft copy of vision board, you can say. And then I gone for the next step. So in this soft copy, it is obviously health, spirituality was there. And in spirituality, there was I will explain in the actual vision board. Social causes, relationships, family is very important. Learning goals, there are a lot of learning goals. I'm still learning. I'm more learner now than any time of my life. And that is one of the good thing with the RYB. Traveling, yes, and uh, traveling is more about India and the career goals. Okay, so this was something I added by myself. Sorry, because I found it is career very important. That is fueling my personal finance. Where to keep it? I try to like put it in some other things around personal finance and all that. Then I found no, it need a separate space. So I created one more like a part is career. So yes, I will go to the my actual vision board. So it was made when I was not at home in the end of ROAB 8. So I created it from whatever I had in my hand. So yes, it was a lot of struggle to even find this yellow like paper because of lockdown. But finally, on the day I found it, on the day of presentation, everything else was ready. Anyway, that was about preparation of vision board. I'm coming to the vision board, and it is now you can see it is not like very much you cannot group the things. That's why I shown you the structure. But basically the finance is in the center, and I will start with like vision board about me. I place my photo also, whatever I had, and health is first. Means like health should be the first criteria. So my goal for 2023 is like I'm on the like just on the border of uh, getting overweight, and that's why the goal is to reduce my BMI to below 20 by 2023. And this is enough time. It's like I'm not very much into the exercise. I start and I stop, so I know that, and I'm considering that I'm not in hurry. I don't want six packs and all those things. I just want a good EMI and BMI, and enough about fitness. That's my goal. I'm not aiming high in health area. I just need good physique. So that is the one of the health related goal. There are few of things, but I will explain in detail if required. Apart from that is spiritual journey. I'm very much spiritually inclined. That I realized since last 1 year, 1.5 years, and I joined one group called Rika. So whenever whoever find like I'm spiritually inclined and I want some like authentic knowledge towards spirituality, I can guide you, but ping me for separately for that. Apart from that, yes, social goals. I'm quite a social animal, and through my organization I participate a lot of CSR activities, and I'm still doing that. I've recently again applied for the new CSR activity where I will guide the young girls, underprivileged girls in their like career and mid-career related things, and how to do these, means like which career to choose, and how to get rid of mental blockages before starting the career and all those things. So I'm always doing that since like maybe 5 years or more, and I will continue doing that. I'm into that more. And obviously Karthik sir's goals are inspired us, everyone. Apart from that, I'm like communities. I want to talk about communities. Communities really help. Means like I'm realizing this in last 1 year. As I mentioned, I'm attended almost 1,000 hours of webinars in last 1 year, and this lockdown really helped me. So in like RYB is my like fourth or fifth community where I'm like getting a lot of connects, and through communities like you can grow like anything. On your own it is difficult to grow or get the connections or get the right guidance. Through communities you can get that. Like in last uh, this week, this is my like a kind of fifth interview or presentation kind of thing, and everything through community. So you can realize like how communities help. So communities are very important. So RYB, thanks to RYB, they gave me one more thing, and this is a really nice community. As ma'am explained, it is really helpful. Some communities are very like stringent. You have to do this in like this time, and you can't post these things and all those things. But this is quite you can feel like a family. So stay with this community and join more and grow more. So that's what I can suggest through my vision board. And next thing is, yes, family. My goal was always like I want to uh, capable become capable of taking care of my parents and my like wife and daughter now. Because that time when I just married, even that time I was having like vision to take care of my kids also. So I'm on that way. I'm like doing a lot of things. I'm working on my bigger home and all those things. But here I not mentioned like some timelines, because I'm like uh, I'm making my vision board 2.0 also. But before that, there is a lot of reshuffling happening in the like my asset area. I'm like working on that. So after that only I will give some timelines to the my family goals and my homes and related to those things. Learning, yes, as I mentioned, I'm more learner now than even my engineering days. So the reason I'm like to help people, we should learn first. Like there are a lot of things to learn, and I'm working on the like things like NLP. It's still on my card, because if we are like in the business of helping people, really want to help people, like few things are very important about learning about their psychology, even my psychology and all those things. So NLP is on cards. Apart from that, with my organization, I'm working on some few new technologies like IoT, and I'm already a robotics trainer. So I'm already into the technology, so I will keep learning all those things and keep growing in that area. So that is very important, because that is like my career related goal. Travel, I spent enough time outside India also. So now I'm more focused about India, because India is beautiful. There is a lot of variety, especially. What fascinates me about India is like the variety and the like different kind of weathers. I'm right now in Kashmir, as mentioned by Srivastava also. Means my project is in Kashmir right now, and there I realized like how much difference, means like the totally different weather with even they I'm in India, but like I'm top north, and it is obviously no need to talk about Kashmir. So my goal is since like many years like to travel only in India. Northeast is east is still pending. I mentioned about few like temples here, and so south is also beautiful. Kerala is still not explored by me as of now. And I mentioned about like this pizza because I found that picture very appealing and that's why I pasted it. But it's up after 2025. I will if I travel enough in India, then I will consider traveling like Europe. There is few places still pending. But as if you have seen in structure also, it's about traveling in India, north, east, west, south, everywhere. So it's on priority. And after that, you can see the career is like important. It is fueling my everything right now, and even in my future goals also. Instead of you can see like a career is like current uh, job I'm doing, then I will more focus on my like side hustle. Right now I'm working, Grow Rich is my side hustle, you can say, and I will convert it into my second career. That is my goal, and I'm working on my platform like Grow Rich, as I mentioned initially also. So that is where my social goal will come into the picture. I will explain about that also. uh, Here I specially mentioned instead of check, I given like a CDSL, like uh, sleep, that Techno Shares sleep, which is about delivery of the shares. You It is difficult to see, but it is like shares and the quantity of that. So Infosys is one of my favorite stock and all those things. So I mentioned about the number of shares. My target is 5,000 Infosys shares, and by 2025, and that is my wealth. That is my building strategy, which will I explain into the Grow Rich also. And yes, it is all about personal finance. Good thing. One more thing I want to explain about this. Designing your vision board, involve your family. That was the best thing. Like while designing this vision board, I was with my family, and my daughter also helped me into like designing this vision board. Like we were finding to like some gold coins related things. So we found some bangles pictures and all those things, but she gave the idea about these coins. She cut from her some material she had about golden color. She cut the gold coins and she actually stick in onto the vision board. So that was like a very good moment for us. So, and even now my wife is more familiar with what I am into and what like social goals. She was not very aware about that. And like my community, she was not aware of all the communities I deal with. So she came to know about these things. So this is like good family task also. So yes, this is about my vision board. And as I mentioned, like my social vision. So with Grow Rich, I realized like many people I met or talked, they are not very much into their purpose. They are not working towards their purpose, or they don't know the purpose. And my vision is like to help people find their purpose, because if you consider, I strongly believe that our inner core is happiness, and we are born to be happy, and like clutter free life, and like you should be like free flow of life. And one way to achieve that is to work on your purpose, on like around your purpose, design your whole life around your purpose, whatever is your passion. And so I'm on like a mission to help people into getting into these things. Means like working on their purpose. And uh, obviously first thing is like finding it. It is difficult. I found it difficult. I've spent many years like, what is my exact purpose, where is I'm like standing. And I found the answer in helping people. So that is my purpose, but everyone is different. So that is my mission. I am into that, and I will do that through Grow Rich platform. And yes, I will explain it in detail whoever want to join me. So yes, that is about my vision board. Hope it is clear to you. And yes, one important thing, it is about I mentioned about like my India flag also. Same with the madam. I can't stop talking about India. I give me a topic and I will convert it into somewhere. I will bring it about India, even it's family matters, learning matters, or whatever, economy. So if you are like talking to Rahul Patki, there is no mention about India, you are not talking to Rahul Patki. That it's that simple. So yes, it is always there, part of my everything. And that's it from my side.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful presentation you have given. So you can stop sharing your screen. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. So it was a very good presentation. Thank you so much for sharing your visions and also your insights. Thank you so much. So friends, I want you to rate this presentation out of 10. 1 being the least and 10 being the best. I want you all to rate this presentation. Please put it in the chat box. Yes, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Rahul sir, you have your scores right in the chat box.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that. And now, as you have seen in the presentation, even Rahul sir is also working on a few social goals, and he has social visions. So he wants to help people find their purpose of their life, and make sure the world they are living in is a better place. So if anyone who is interested to collaborate with them or work together, so here is a chance. So I have just posted a link in your chat box. I want you to click on that link, enter all the details and write, and we'll work on, we'll help you collaborate with Rahul sir. So yes, thank you so much. Fill in the Google form now. So now, my dear friends, we have successfully completed two presentations. And so, yes, I think it's time for me to hand it over to Karthik sir. And Karthik sir, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity you have given. Karthik sir and Chauhan sir as well. Thank you so much. My gratitude to you. And over to you, Karthik sir.
Amazing, amazing. How many of you liked the presentations? Type in if you liked it, okay? Don't forget to fill the Google form, because you could be, working with somebody who's already working on this. That means you're going to be going much, much, much faster than what you could do actually. Okay, so personally, when I wrote my vision first time, okay, when I wrote my vision first time, entire thing started changing. Okay, what I was earlier and what I was afterwards was completely different. So I had written a vision to plant 200 crore trees by 2030, and when I did that, right, so I had to think out of the box to achieve that. One of the technology that I came across was to use the technology called seed ball, where you had mud, cow dung, and you got to mix it like chapati atta with the water, right? And once you have that, take the seed, prepare it like a vada, put it inside it, rotate like a laddu, and then seed ball was ready. That was the technology that I was talking about. So that's a separate topic for us to discuss some other day, but I want to see you the miracle that happened when this vision was written. Okay, how many of you want to see? How many of you want to see that live what happened when that particular thing was actually put in the place? What magical thing happened? How many of you want to see? How many of you want to see? Type in me. Yeah, if you want to see that. Amazing, amazing. Okay, I'm going to be playing a video, and I want all of you to observe this and drive the energy that is going to be coming from the video. You will be surprised to see the kind of energy that will come in. Okay, and here we go. Wow. Okay, every time I see this, right, I get energy every single time. So how many of you, okay, how many of you actually would like to be part of this initiative of planting the tree? During the Corona situation, all of you have figured out one important thing. Can we have a Telegram group, please? So where people can join this great movement. The idea is that we want to make sure that every single person adopt one tree. What will happen to our nation? Every single person adopts one tree. So during this Corona situation, people have paid 18 to 20,000 rupees per cylinder, oxygen cylinder, okay? And all these years, the universe had been giving it to you free of cost. This is a trailer, okay? Corona was a trailer. If you don't take the action now, you will really end up, whatever you're earning in your life, you will end up just paying for the oxygen. Forget about vacation, forget about eating. So if you do not want that situation to come, this is a wake-up call for all of us. Okay, so we have a Telegram group. Please go ahead and actually join this. So many of you will be wondering, why am I actually showing the part of the plantation here? I'll tell you one thing. It's a very, very powerful thing. After I executed this project, my special gratitude to Navodaya family members for helping in actually executing the entire thing and taking the leadership of this. Okay, so now a very important aspect is, after I executed this particular project, I had a huge difference in my life. In my professional life, I was able to get a lot of promotions in a very, very short period of time. Not only that, because of the expertise and the skill that I've achieved, I was able to put into the most complex project that people think that anybody else cannot do it. And I used to go there and manage that program and come back within a matter of 6 months. And I used to ask my manager, give me a new project. My manager used to scratch my head. You have a different problem to solve, man. For every 6 months, I have to find a complex project for you. Why didn't you relax? I said, if I relax, how do I challenge myself? I'll not be able to grow. And that took me to a very, very new height. And this helped me in financially and in terms of physical thing. Even now, if you are saying we just finished yoga with 108 Surya Namaskara and directly we are coming in. Okay, there's no quote and suit here. We are coming here directly finishing it. Common people, real life stories. Okay, that is what we want to create. The first problem that I had was to kill the procrastination, because every one of us are in the comfort zone. How many of you agree that procrastination is one of those, the biggest dangerous thing? You believe that you have the skill set, but because of the procrastination, you are not able to do it. How many of you feel that? How many of you feel that? If you are one among this, type in PROC. Type in PROC, because if this one particular thing is killed, you will go to the completely to the new height. Agreed? Now this is the biggest challenge, because you're already in the comfort zone and you're not able to go to the next level. If somebody can help killing the procrastination, probably I would have achieved my vision sometime, maybe 1 decade back. But so finally, I had to go and figure out a lot of those things that people were teaching were at a very, very high level. They were trying to give the symptoms, the solution for the symptoms. I used to get that, but after some time, again, I used to get into that, procrastination mode. So I had to think of a technique which will actually get us out of the procrastination from the root cause. And that is what I did when I, before I started my mission on this. So and this particular thing, is worth, after this, I killed the procrastination, everything started happening in my life. And that's where, first I wrote my vision board, and then I killed my procrastination. That is how I was able to achieve this. How many of you want to kill the procrastination for yourself and achieve something really, really big in your life? How many of you want to kill the procrastination? Kill, type in kill. If you really want to kill the procrastination and take it to the next level, Okay, so I'll tell you one thing. So we have definitely, okay, you want to kill, okay, many of you want to kill that. Amazing. Okay, kill and murder both. Super. So what we have done is, whatever I did to kill the procrastination, I've converted this into a 5-day boot camp. Okay, 5-day boot camp. And those of you who really want to kill this procrastination, you're welcome to join this. I'll tell you, initially I gave this as a free because I wanted to work on a mission. When I gave it as a free, people did not value for it. Then I decided I'll not give anything as a free thing. So we have actually put a nominal amount of 1,500 rupees for this particular, how to kill the procrastination 5-day boot camp. And for those of you, I have a very good news for all of you. Those of you who are attending today, the vision board presentation, we're going to get 1,000 rupees off. Okay, 1,000 rupees off only for those people who are attending this session today. So, and you will be able to kill your procrastination in a matter of 5 days. And after you attend this, okay, can we all have the link of the procrastination killer? Yeah, thank you so much. All of you can just go and sign up in this procrastination killer. I'll show you how exactly it will actually come in. So the session, don't go away, because we have an amazing, interaction session that is going to be coming here. How to get rid of your procrastination in less than 5 days. The offer is only for today who are there in this vision board now. Yeah, so you will be having this, okay? The session is going to be a 5-day session. The first and last day is going to be a live. And second, third, and fourth day, it's going to be a recorded session. And not only that, okay, not only that, so this is going to happen from next Tuesday, starting from 7:21 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. only on Monday, I mean Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, and the batch is starting on 29 June to 3rd July, and that is going to be a fantastic thing for you to get started. For those of you who want to create a vision board like every one of them have created, before you do that, we want all of you to come and see the mini version of how exactly we work with the people, and because we are working on a mission. And then if you decide to continue the education with us, to come and prepare a vision board, you'll be able to go to the next level. Okay, so those of you who wants to go ahead, just go ahead and actually type in and sign up for this. We're going to get started now with the next powerful thing, that is going to be an interaction with these people. How many of you want to have an interaction with these people? How many of you want to have an interaction with the people who have spoken, and also the people have already gone through this program? Okay, yes, Vision Nirmala ji, for the 5-day session, vision board is not included because vision board session takes a lot of time for you to do it. So, but this is going to give you a very clear idea of how exactly we operate, actually, how exactly we operate on this. Great. Okay, so fine. How many of you want to interact? How many of you want to have an interaction with the people? How many of you want to have an interaction with the people? If you want to have an interaction with the people, type in me, type in me, type in me. So I'm be dividing all of you into different breakout rooms. You will go ahead and, yeah, you want to join the vision board, Nirmala? Yes. Hema ji, you can, Hema or Anisha, you can put your numbers. They will be able to reach out to you. Great. Super. Now I'm going to be dividing you into different breakout rooms. And in this breakout room, what happens is you will be able to go and interact with the live participants. You will be given around 10 minutes time to have all the questions that you want to ask. You can sort out and then you can again come back. Okay. Clear? Clear? If you are clear with the instruction, type in crystals. Type in crystal if you are clear with this. Okay, amazing. Amazing, guys. I want all of you to see there is nothing. Okay. There is nothing we're going to be hiding. You are going to go and talk to these live people directly. And here we go. I'm creating a breakout rooms here. Let's get started. So, and here we go. So you'll see the names. Whomever you see it as RYB and RYB plus, these are the people who will be able to tell you the experience of what exactly they're being going through. Okay. So with this, I'm going to be creating the vision board, creating the board, and please go ahead and interact with them. And here we go. Just a minute. So all of you will be given around 10 minutes time to quickly interact, and you'll be able to come back to this. If anybody has a challenge, please raise your hands. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Chauhanji. Chauhanji, can you go to room number 1? Chauhanji? Room number 1. Okay, how many of you still have a challenge? Please raise your hand. I'll be more than happy to actually move you through the different rooms.
Why to be, why you are sitting idle, why you don't do something and be.
के लिए भी बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे और कुछ गाइडेंस चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए, अभी तो बहुत एडवांस हो।
Work, but no goal, no vision. So that is why I'm participating to gather something so that I can.
So anything and everything, whatever you want to see in reality in your life, that is put on the vision board. Okay. And you know, like people will definitely, you know, help you.
Regarding this, any questions regarding this ROAB, please let us know. We can help.
To how to make a will and everything. So now I thought that I had so much of things which I have never done earlier, and I am doing it. So it gives me satisfaction, though I'm not earning money out of it. My profession is into career counseling. Through that, I am earning little bit, and already I have some source of income. So that was okay. But now
So you're already done with Meshi. You're already done with discussion, is it? So we'll allow few more minutes before we get started again. Yeah.
Maybe any doubts regarding RYB? Like now is the time. Please go ahead. Ask any doubts you have.
Srivatsa, we missed out when Nirmala is there. Is she an old participant?
Not sure.
No.
Can we have another introduction from Nirmala? Or if there is any doubt, we can quickly go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm Nirmala. I'm a trainer, and I'm from Bangalore. And
organized, more disciplined, I am able to help others also. So we are like-minded people. If anyone is having any problems also, we take help from others, or we help others also. It is a teamwork, and it is
I think many of you are actually coming back. Okay, Prabhanath ji, you are late today. You're on mute, you're on mute, you're on mute.
I had some morning sessions earlier.
Okay.
I had to shift certain luggage in my new flat.
Oh.
So I called up my person, packed some luggage, and then I was in the shifting mode.
Okay.
After my session, my dhyana or yoga session, I got into that. So I thought, let me skip, but because in a day or two, I have to shift complete stuff to my new flat.
Yes, yes, great.
So it's okay. It's perfectly all right. I mean, we don't miss anything. We don't.
Yeah, that's true.
The life is. But I tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Let me share.
Yeah.
RYV, maybe we have attended many of the programs. We have got a lot of insights from a lot of places. But definitely RYV has brought in quite good number of insights, quite new learning, because the way you tell the stories, your own story is very unique.
Yes.
And I'm seeing you always going to village and talking about the story from the village.
Yeah.
That is because lot of things are built up in the village side.
Yes.
And people can connect because everybody's roots, are connected to village.
Amazing.
And also I found that, out of willpower and the environment, I mean, this was insight, a sort of breakthrough, I can say, because this particular thing really clicked me. It is environment where you live or with whom you live, that influences you more than you will. If you want to, you decide to do something, you have a very big willpower. You can quit smoking, you can do something, you can avoid something, all that, whatever you decide. But if your environment is not conducive helping you, you will, I doubt you will be in position to accomplish it. I mean, I have, that's a takeaway, sort of thing.
Yes.
Then, I mean, your father's remedial things, even though I might have attended, I might have seen thousands of stuff, But you see the simplicity in his expression and the conviction. See, it is very important to get convinced from a person who is full of conviction. You
Yes.
get convinced. Yes, this is the way it is. And he crystallized things, a lot of things from the drugless therapy session. Very, very well. अब मुद्रा की किताबें तो पढ़ते पढ़ते जिंदगी गुजर गई. 50 बार मुद्रा की किताबें पढ़ते हैं, मुद्रा देखते हैं, लेकिन what exactly and why, all the answers that he gives, even in small time, the session is not so big, small time, he tries to cover as much as, and that with authority is amazing.
Amazing.
And in RYB, I found Chavan Saab, exceptional, beautiful. Even though there is a lot of dreams, there are a lot of flights. My roots are grounded in a different way. There is a difference between the reality and the story. I have understood the part that reality is very different than the story, because story is built around the reality. Reality will be a dot, and you can build a whole circle around that. You understand?
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, a lot of things learning. And Professor Vijay, my God, Ikigai. Why? I mean, I never had any, I never felt that Ikigai would be so powerful, because I had not attended any session till date on Ikigai. Maybe book is lying in my house. But the way he explained, and it created curiosity. And so simple way that everybody has some or the other good thing in his life, then you love that, then somebody would want to have it in the world, then somebody will pay for it. It's very simple. And if you do something like that, yes. And why I'm telling you all this, because we will not be in position to possibly speak so much, share so much, like video making. I was seeing my daughter making hundreds and hundreds of videos, and every day, because I thought it's an actor's job, and she knows very well. It is not my job. She used to say, "Papa, aapko malum hai itna, so why don't you come and make some videos?" I avoided. But here, when in a team wanted ki bhai aapko to, I understood that I can make a video in 2 minutes. In 15 minutes, I write a Facebook post, create a Canva, and complete my video also on any subject that you are giving. The one of the reason is the subject has been explained beforehand very well.
Amazing.
So all this sharing. Listen. And I don't know whether how, because tomorrow my my luggage, lot of luggage would be transported to my apartment from where I'm living. It's 100 meters distance only, but you have all those logistics to take care. Furniture is coming, then shifting from here is going to happen. A lot of 4-5 laborers will be there. I do not know. I'm still trying to figure out how I am going to get those 10-15 minutes, or in that slot of time, how I'm going to make myself available. Even though my wife is present here and she will be, if I am not available for that job, there will be, environment will be very, you can understand. So still, and it's okay. That is the way the life is. I'm not so much, I don't take the words from outside. So, morning, I just, I skipped your session, but I accomplished a task. But I could not meet my session. 40 minutes I have to spend for my yoga, dhyana, and all that. So that I complete always.
Super.
And it was a bonus, adding more yoga session, doing some little more physical exercise. It is like bonus to you. Normally, after completion of this, you will not do anything.
Correct.
But when you are sitting again, you are stretching your body further. again, your body is getting some exercise, and it's really good for your body.
Yes.
Because we have to always take care of these four things: body, mind, emotion, and energy, or all five koshas. Everything lies in that five koshas.
Amazing, Prabhunaji. I mean, super. You are right. You can make out you're really speaking from your heart. Okay. How many of you felt Prabhunaji, spoke everything from his heart? Type in heart, type in heart. Okay. So when basically, even with every challenge that he was having through, he still, managed to, shift. He's shifting the house. Can you believe? He's shifting the house and he's still making sure that he's attending this. Wow, what a commitment. Prabhunaji, my salute to you for that, wonderful commitment that you are showing. Amazing. Who else wants to share? Okay. Any new people who are first time who are coming here want to share your experience, how your experience had been? Thank you, Prabhunaji. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, yes. So now let's hear from others, okay? Who wants to? Any new people who are first time attending want to share your experience?
Myself, Harsh.
Harsh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Harsh. Yeah, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. I am Harsh this side. आज मॉर्निंग में मैं अपना योगा सेशन कर रहा था एक के साथ, अचानक मेडिटेशन के बाद ये ग्रुप में मैसेज था, मैं जिसमें चेक करता हूँ है क्या, पर यहाँ पे आई एम लकी, एक ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा कि मैं पहली बार आ पा रहा हूँ, एक फैमिली में मिल गया हूँ। मेरा मिशन है फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में काफी लोगों को काफी लूज कर पा रहे पैसा, मतलब स्टॉक मार्केट का नाम सुनते ही लोगों का लगता है कि पहला पैसा जाने वाला है। मैंने उस जर्नी को सिंप्लीफाई बनाया है और लास्ट 4 साल से लोगों को हेल्प कर रहा हूँ उसको क्योंकि हम लोग पैसे के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और पैसे कोई मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहे। मेरा मिशन है लोगों को पैसे को ऑन भी करना है, मैनेज भी करना है, मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है। तो डिफरेंट एसोसिएशन से ऑलरेडी जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, तो आपके साथ भी जुड़ के उसको स्प्रेड करना है, लोगों की हैप्पीनेस करना है, फाइनेंशियल हैप्पीनेस के लिए।
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग हर्षी, सुपर।
और बाकी ना विजन बोर्ड में बिल्कुल बहुत, क्योंकि उसके बिना तो हमारी लाइफ ही नहीं है। हमें चाहिए कि जब तक हम अपने इनसाइड नहीं बनाएंगे, विजन बोर्ड बेसिकली हमारे को सब अंदर बनाना है, तो हम वहां रीच कर पाएंगे। 2000 में ये मैं ऑलरेडी जर्नी में जा चुका हूँ, पर आप लोगों के साथ जुड़ेंगे तो और बेटर कर पाएंगे, मिलकर एक सोसाइटी को हेल्प कर पाएंगे। मेरा मिशन यही है, क्या करते।
Amazing, amazing, Harshi. So great. So how was your interaction with our participants directly?
Yeah. पहली बात तो ये कि मतलब यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा हूँ, पर ऐसा नहीं हो पा रहा कि मैं मतलब अननोन है, ऐसा इंटरनल कनेक्ट ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं, मतलब प्रोग्राम जो भी है, मतलब एक फैमिली बन चुकी है, ऐसा फील हो पा रहा है मतलब। और myself, I'm Harsh. I'm an engineer by profession. I did my engineering from Delhi College of Engineering and MBA Finance from Sydney, Australia. तो कॉर्पोरेट में वर्क किया, पर एंटरप्रेन्योर माइंड था कि अपना कुछ करना है। तो फ्रॉम द लास्ट 10 years I'm in the financial market, और इसी मिशन का मेरा मिशन है लोगों को स्प्रेड किया जाए हैप्पीनेस। वेल्थ है, वेल्थ क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं वेल्थ बने, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम वेल्थ ना रियलिटी में प्रैक्टिकल नहीं बन पाती है। मैंने विद 1 month में किसी को पैशन है और एक मेंटर है, तो उसको सॉल्यूशन मैंने बना दिया है और आप लोगों के साथ जुड़ के मिशन के साथ और बेटर करना ही करना है। हैप्पीनेस, फाइनेंशियल हैप्पीनेस।
Thank you, Harshi. Thank you for coming and sharing your experience. Anybody else? Anybody else wants to share? Anybody else wants to share? Yeah, you have the last opportunity for you to do it. So anybody from RYB or RYB Advanced want to share? If nobody, new people.
It's Sonali here.
Hi, Sonali. Come. Always very happy to hear.
Can I reveal a secret?
Wow. Let's hear. Let's hear. She'll always come with a big surprise. Okay, go ahead.
Let's hear the secret.
No, your storytelling is so good. I mean, it is so full of energy and everything. So during this RYB program, we had a team of 4 people, and immediately after the program, we used to call each other. So whatever we have to say, I used to mimic you.
Good.
So I always start, so how many of you are excited? Okay, type in this, type in that. So we used to have a lot of fun.
That's good.
So that was an energy booster for us.
Super. I mean, if you can actually do that, you will definitely be able to get, not only this thing, you can copy my vision also. It's open to everybody. I want more and more people to copy my vision of making sure planting one tree for every person, right? So then,
Yes.
so unlike others, right? RYB is the only community where we'll come and say, okay, please copy our vision, because you're going to create something amazing in the life. Great.
Yeah, for those 21 days, I mean, your voice used to echo in our mind throughout the day.
Super. I think Sonali, I think there are a lot of people are watching here, right?
Yeah.
So can you share your experience of that 3 and the opportunity that you got with that, going and talking in front of 300 people? Probably many of them don't know. Say probably that will inspire many people to do this. You want to introduce yourself, Sonali, quickly?
Yeah, okay. I am Sonali Srivastava from Pune, and I happened to join this program through first passive income, then procrastination killer, and I landed up joining RYB. So before that, I was like, I started working very early in my during my this thing MBA only. So I started earning at the age of 21, was financially independent, and after that I was working with banks for 14 years, then into IT company and into operations. So after working for 21 years, I was leading such a content life. Now I quit my jobs last year, and then I enrolled into some counseling programs and all as a career counselor. So I was like, okay, whatever I earn is okay. And yeah, so I was very content. Then after joining this RYB, I thought I have whatever potential I am not utilizing it. So why not utilize it, whatever is there? And the only problem is I was always a very camera shy person, not able to speak. So during all these 21 days, we had to make videos, and also it gave me a confidence to face camera at least. And my mission was working towards financial literacy for females. So but I did not have any direction how to go there, and I think there's a lot of power which has given this. I mean, universe has so much to give it to us. The program ended on 31st of May, and 1st of June I got a call from an NGO that our mission is towards empowering women and all. So can you do some programs for financial literacy? It was like a dream come true. I had never ever spoken to the NGO about this, though I was attached to them. So this happened on 4th of June, and it was so successful that the females over there, who were like all doctors, engineers, professors, and with 300 people, I was little scared. How would I be able to face so many people, and that too on a public platform? So then they organized 3 more programs with the advanced version. It started with just financial literacy, and it ended towards preparing how to make a will also. And then in the RYB community also, I did that program. And from that, those groups only, they're like doctors, we want to do it for female doctors in our community, then few professors. So now till now, I have done 7-8 programs regarding that. And one more surprise, which I got 2 days back was, I have been into IT operations for 5 years. So I never thought that I'm making it as a profession. Now I quit the job and I just closed the chapter over there. So 2 days back, one of my classmates, we studied till 8th standard, I guess. And he said, you have so much of experience. He went through my LinkedIn profile. You have done so much in operations and this and that. So we are an IT company, but we are lacking in operations and finance areas. So why don't you work as a consultant? I said, see, as a friend, I can help you, but there are no commercials to be involved. He said, no, if I have to hire a consultant, I need to pay to them. So why don't you join? So he's called me and he's arranged for my visit to Indore and everything to his company. So that is one more project which I've got, and I think I can align myself towards that also. So I never thought that I can take it as a profession also now. So I think every day I'm getting new surprises now. And lot of confidence.
Great. Thank you, Sonali, for coming here and sharing. We'll give a quick.
Thank you, Karthik sir.
Thank you. Amazing. Okay. It's always.
Congratulations.
Whenever Sonali will come, she'll come with the surprise packet of surprise. That's good. Let's hear more surprises coming from everybody. Okay, those of you who wants to get started with the procrastination killer, we have already posted the link. It's going to be a 5-day program. So starting from next Tuesday till this Saturday, you can start your journey going through that particular process. And if you like it, then you can take it to the next level. And for those people who wants to join Revive Your Brain program directly and want to create the vision board, the next batch is going to be starting on July 8th. Okay, July 8th, wherein this is going to be a 21-day program. Why 21 days? Many people will be saying, oh my goodness, 21 days. I'll tell you, 10% time that you spent on proper planning is going to save you 90% of your execution time. That means if you can prepare your vision board, it is like a vision, it is a plan for your life. Once you prepare the life, plan for your life, you'll be saving 90% of your execution time. That means whatever you want to execute in next 30 years, you'll be able to execute in the matter of 3 years. Can you believe this? If you think that you have already lost so many years of your life, 20 years, 30 years, and you want to accomplish in next 30 years, then this is a must program for all of you. Okay, so we have Hema and Anusha who will be able to help us out. Hema and Anusha, please put your numbers. And for those of you who wants to get started with the vision board presentation directly, okay, don't want to go with the procrastination killer, but I want to directly go with that, you can do it. Tomorrow we have a previous session, and the previous session is happening tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So with this, I'm going to be calling Chauhanji, who is one of our co-founder and one of our founding director, and he comes with always with bazooka of entertainment. Okay, those of you who are there already with our Revive Your Brain program, everybody knows when Chauhanji comes in, पूरा माहौल बदल जाता है. पूरा शायरी से लेके फिल्मी गाने तक, no matter what comes in, it comes with so much of fun and energy. तो हम चाहते हैं चौहान जी आपके तरफ से हमारा वाइंड अप सेशन हो जाए. थैंक यू कीजिए और आपका शायरी सुना दीजिए. एंड ओवर टू यू.
बहुत सही किसी कवि ने लिखा है कि वीरानी है जिंदगी, अनजानी है जिंदगी, वीरानी है जिंदगी, अनजानी है जिंदगी, ये सोचना भूल है कि गम की कहानी है जिंदगी. वीरानी है जिंदगी, अनजानी है जिंदगी, ये सोचना भूल है कि गम की कहानी है जिंदगी. एक बार विजन बोर्ड बना करके तो देखो मेरे यारों, कितनी सुहानी है जिंदगी. कल भी मैं यही बात कर रहा था कि हमारे जिले में जहां मैं रहता हूं, लाइफ का कोई ऑफर गॉड की तरफ से नहीं है कि 60 साल जी लो फिर 60 साल का एक 1+1 ऑफर मिलेगा. आपके जहां रहते हैं वहां पर भी कोई ऑफर हो तो देख लीजिए, एक जिंदगी के साथ एक जिंदगी फ्री मिल रही है क्या? मेरे ख्याल से कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रही है. और यदि नहीं मिल रही है तो इसी जिंदगी में जो आपको मिली है, वो जिंदगी आपकी जैसी भी है, जिस भी तरीके की है, जितनी भी कमियां हैं, जितनी भी अच्छाइयां हैं, अच्छाइयों की तरफ देखें. विजन बोर्ड के लिए फोकस करके आप अपनी लाइफ में आने वाले 5 से 10 साल में जो मिराकल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वो संसार के किसी भी दूसरी जगह से आप नहीं कर सकते. यदि सोनाली श्रीवास्तव जी अभी बोल रही थी, मतलब उनका नाम ही हमको करना पड़ेगा मिराकल सोनाली. नाउ सी बिकम मिराकल सोनाली, क्योंकि उनके साथ जब भी आती है मिराकल होता है. डॉक्टर सागरिका हमारे साथ आई थी RYB 6 में 2 महीना पहले. इतने सारे मिराकल उनकी लाइफ में हुए विजन बोर्ड क्रिएट करने के बाद में कि उनको आज फंड मिलते हैं. अभी परसों किसी ने उनको 4 एकड़ लैंड मुंबई के आसपास में देने की पेशकश की है कि आप ओल्ड एज होम आप बनवा लीजिए, 4 एकड़ खेती हम आपको दे रहे हैं. तो आप यदि चाहते हैं कि इस छोटी सी जिंदगी में आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे मिराकल हो, तो इस बात की मैं गारंटी दे सकता हूं कि आप हमारे साथ आए, विजन बोर्ड क्रिएट करें RYB 20. और यदि आपको ऐसा लगता है और कुछ इंक्वायरी करने की जरूरत है तो कल आप हमको ज्वाइन करें. यहाँ हेमलता जी का नंबर है, अनुषा जी का नंबर है, उस नंबर पे आप कॉल करके उनको बता दीजिए कि आई वांट टू ज्वाइन टुमारो. फ्री सेशन इज देयर टुमारो ऑन रिवायर योर ब्रेन फॉर सक्सेस. ज्वाइन अस टुमारो और इंक्वायर कर लीजिए, क्योंकि इससे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी पूरे हिंदुस्तान में आपको नहीं मिल सकती. प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन किलर की लिंक भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है, आप चाहें तो उसको भी आप क्लिक करके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अमेजिंग कोर्सेस 499 रुपीज में जो आपको मिल रहा है, बिलीव करें मेरे दोस्तों कि वो 5000 से कम का प्रोग्राम नहीं है. यदि एक विजन बोर्ड के इस छोटे से प्रेजेंटेशन में आपको इतनी सारी इंसाइट मिल सकती है, तो 5 दिन जब आप हमारे साथ में रहेंगे प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन किलर में, या 21 दिन तक के आप हमारे साथ रिवायर योर ब्रेन प्रोग्राम में रहेंगे, तो आपकी लाइफ में रियली मिराकल क्रिएट होंगे। आप सभी ने हमको ज्वाइन किया, विश्वास किया, अपना कीमती समय हम लोगों को दिया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आभार, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद। आपका दिन बहुत बहुत शुभ हो। नमस्कार, जय हो।
जय हो सर, जय हो। गुड डे।
गुड डे राम सिंह जी। Thank you for joining with us.
Yeah, so we'll put the link for to join the tomorrow session in the WhatsApp group, so that if anybody wants to join directly, they can do it. If that link is available, Anusha or Hema right now, you can put it. Otherwise, you can put it in the group for tomorrow's link. Okay, yeah. Thank you everyone, and all of you have a fantastic day ahead.
Thank you, Srivatsa ji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik
Chavan
sir.
Thank you, Karthik sir.
Thank you all. Thank you
Sir,
all.
thank you.
Yes, thank you,
Thank
Karthik
you
sir.
all. Thank you.
Chavan sir. Yashwant Bhau, Chavan sir.
जय हो, जय हो, जय हो।
Jai Ho sir.
जय हो, जय हो, जय हो, जय हो।